I'm Chelsea Lipford-Wolf, co-host of today's Homeowner. One of the things I love about outdoor living spaces is there are so many ways you can decorate and accessorize them because you can use lots and lots of plants. So if you're considering an outdoor living space makeover, here's some things to keep in mind when you're selecting your plants. First, how much sunlight will the plants need? It won't help to add plants that can't thrive in the space you're planting them. The tags on the plants at the nursery will help you decide. If your patio or deck is in the shade most of the day, you'll want to use shade-tolerant plants. If it's sunny, choose full sun. Next, what are their watering needs and how much time do you have to dedicate to that chore? If there isn't a garden hose nearby, you may want to choose plants that require less frequent watering. If you have a built-in irrigation system, the plant's need will dictate how you program it. Variety is also important. Not just different plants though, you want to mix up the sizes, colors, and textures of the plants you select so they create interest and not just a sea of green. You should also consider the size of the plant when it's mature. Here again, the nursery tag will guide you so you don't have to choose something that ends up crowding your patio or growing into the roof overhang. Ask yourself how much maintenance you want to do. If your answer is 0, well then stick with perennials that will come back every year and are drought tolerant so they don't need frequent watering. Finally, consider what kind of birds or insects your plants may attract or repel. For example, bees love sunflowers. So if you like them, plant them somewhere where you can see them on your patio, but not so close that you get stung. With a little planning, your plant selection can make your outdoor living space your favorite spot to hang out.